So satisfying.
Let's make a new. Let's make a new.
Come on. Yo, it looks like a person's legs.
I'm tired, damn.
You're tired? I'm not even tired.
You see that popping? It's nice. So satisfying. And my other one that looks like green apple. She keeps on saying it's mustard.
Mustard, because it looks like mustard, damn. It looks like dirty mustard. It looks like old rotten mustard.
Is it Lightning Queen or Lighting Queen?
Lighting Queen.
By the way, guys, it is still 3 a.m.
Just
So
type.
I think it's lightning queen, like the lightning in the sky.
it's like the lightning in the sky.
That's why I said like lightning, like thunder.
So comment down below what I should call this: ocean blue, sky blue, or what blue?
I just know from
Ocean blue, sky blue, or what blue?
yeah, I'm gonna type blue.
Give me a name to call this one.
Maybe raspberry.
Blue raspberry,
Blue raspberry. That's what I was gonna say.
or blue raspberry.
Yeah.
And tell me what name
But
to
this
name
is
this.
I think that's mustard, like old rotten mustard.
And peace. Smash that subscribe button and that like button, and tell me if you want more slime. We'll also make a pet peeve. Peace.